Kung gusto mo talagang mag-progress as a beginner, dapat pinapalitan mo yung split mo every month para ma-shock yung katawan mo at magkaroon siya ng bagong stimulus to build even more muscle. At ayan mismo yung sasabihin ko kung ayaw talaga kitang mag-progress. At kung isa ka na din sa mga taong sawa na sa misinformation, welcome sa panibagong episode ng Brospiracy, kung saan i-expose natin ang mga popular fitness myths and the dumb stuff your gym bro swears by. Okay, let's get this straight. Hindi mo kailangan magbago ng split every month. Ang dapat mo lang talagang gawin is hanapin mo yung training split na sustainable and kaya mong gawin consistently na swak sa schedule at recovery mo. Ngayon, common sense na lang yun kung bakit. Pero kung hindi mo pa rin naiintindihan, kailangan mong malaman na yung training mo is built on progressive overload. And kung papalit-palit ka ng split, hindi mo talaga mamameasure kung nag improve ka. Kasi wala kang consistency, wala kang structure, and wala kang clear progress. Yes, pwede ka pa rin makapag-progress kahit papalit-palit ka ng split. Pero bakit mapapahirapan yung sarili mo? Lalo na as a beginner, what you need is consistency, not complexity. That's why all you really need to do is to find a split na bagay sa'yo, stick to it, and then master the basics. Then adjust only when necessary. Hindi dahil naboboring ka na or may nakita kang bagong split sa TikTok. At oo, minsan nagbabago-bago schedule natin and gets ko yan. Pero at the very least, dapat meron kang main split na sinusundan mo most of the time. Kaya next time na may magsasabi sa'yo na magpalit ka na ng split para ma-shock mo yung katawan mo sa bagong stimulus, sabihin mo na lang, Brospiracy yan.